Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is our agenda for Wednesday, December 2nd, and you are watching the Watch This First, and we have some information that we need to go through. You will see that you have two assignments today. There are no new notes, but a lot of putting things together on your part. We've been doing the little parts of proofs. We've been doing all of our triangle congruence, and now's the time for us to kind of make sure that we can make all of the connections. So you have two assignments. You have chapter 4 review number 1, and you have chapter 4 proof practice. Now when you look at those, you will notice that first you will notice that if you've picked up the material from the school at the beginning of the year, you should already have these papers. If not, when you go to look at the assignment, the copies are, there's a link to the file so you can make a copy if you need to. You will need to show all work for these problems, and then you will need to upload one PDF for these assignments. Okay, now this is where you need to be honest with yourself, because right in these assignments I have linked in the videos that go through all of the answers with explanation. Ideally, what I would say that you need to do is you need to try these on your own first, and then watch the videos and check your answers. Okay? If you notice that you are needing to watch the video to complete the problems, then I would go back and practice some of those smaller problems that we've already done. Okay? Please keep in mind that, and I think this is happening sometimes, that just watching the videos and saying, yes, I understand how she did that, is different from you completing those problems on your own. So if you go to see them on your own the very first time on the test, you're probably going to run into some difficulties and struggle with getting completed within the amount of time allotted. So please keep that in mind during these practice days here. Okay? With that being said, that leads right into when we will have our chapter 4 test. It is going to be on December 14th, and that is a Monday. And what I need you to do right now is to put it on your calendar that sometime during that Monday between 8:45 and 3:45, you need to complete that test. Now we have several modules to go before that. In a different module, I will talk to you about what that test looks like. But right now, I just wanted to make sure that you are getting that on your calendar. Okay, that is the Monday of finals week, and that will be our last assessment because we will not have a final exam. Okay, if we are looking to get some help, please keep in mind that everything that we have done so far in chapter 4, I've linked in a video that explains it. But if you're looking for some additional help, we will have optional Zoom sessions just for questions, no new content. It's not like it's a class, it's just if you have a particular question. Today, which is December 2nd at 2:30, and then additionally December 7th, which is next Monday at 2:30. Please note that these assignments are not due until December 7th. So if you get to those sometime after today and you notice you still have some questions, that gives you time to come to the Zoom meeting on that Monday, December 7th. Okay? I'm going to ask that if you are planning on coming to a Zoom session to ask a question, if you can message me ahead of time and tell me what assignment you'll be asking a question about, that will just help me be able to have that assignment pulled up and ready to go so that I can screen share it and make sure that I already have it on my iPad ready to go so that I can write right on top of it. That will just help cut down in some of the time. If you have any questions, please go ahead and Canvas message me, and I hope you have a good day.